Welcome to Car Wash in the PAKJO way. This evening I'm showing to you all about clean and clear a car. Wow! In front of you look many people. That's company clean and clear a car. Wow! This is processing clean and clear car. That's place specialist for car wash. That place also can clean and clear your motorcycle, and then a car, also your truck, or another your transportation on the road. Very busy, the all people here. Because they focus for clean and clear that car. Okay, before I'm close, that's my video. Always I instructions to your all. Don't forget, like, comment, also share. That's my video in Insfektur channel. Thank you. See you next time. Bye bye.